What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves. So we are here still. Again, it is the same day as obviously the last video, but the snake sheds. I am just going to do this video about helping Antiope with her stuck shed, and just kind of show you guys what I'm doing here. So we have a tub which has some warm water in it. And I'm going to get Evie out of her enclosure, or Evie, that's Evie. I'm going to get Antiope out of her enclosure, and I'm going to put her in this warm water there. Got to grab the lid. Alright, so I'm going to get her in here, and I'm just going to leave her in here. I'm going to start off with maybe like 30 minutes, and then I'll try to take this cloth, which I'll also get wet, and then just kind of go down her body and see if we can get some of that shed off. And I will do my best to get that filmed. And if I do, well, then I guess you'll be seeing this video. All right, so let's get started. Oh, I know it. I know it. You're not gonna like this part. Oh, oh, well, that was a lot easier than I expected it to be. All right. So she is in there, and she is going to stay in there for about 30 minutes, and then we will get her out and attempt to get that shed off of her the rest of the way. Alright, so we are back, and I have got her here. What did I do with that rag? Here it is. So, we got the rag, got her. Open this. She's been in here for about 13 minutes. I'm going to dip the rag in this still warm water. She is clearly very much so ready to come out. Alright. Got our rag here. Alright, I'm just going to see if I can find a space that's already kind of going. Then just kind of get wiping. See, you can kind of see that it's starting to just kind of come off. And I'm really just going to let her kind of glide through the towel. Oh, she's not trying to do that. Come on. There we go. Just gonna take a little bit to get it all off, it looks like. But it's definitely coming. You can see it there. It's coming off. Yeah. Yeah, she just needed a good soaking. Yeah, getting a lot of it off here. Come on, don't wrap around the table. Wondering if it'd be easier if I use my hand. It's more friction. Yeah, it does seem to be a little bit easier. Don't go up on there. I should knock the phone down. Alright, so let's go back to the rag a little bit. So yeah, I got a lot of that's coming off. Oh, there's a good piece coming right there. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Now this is not hurting the snake. This is technically how it would be getting done if they were doing it on their own. They would just be rubbing against the stuff in their enclosure, and it would just be coming off like this. I mean, if it had been any of my other snakes, it would be coming off in one solid piece rather than like this, but here we are. I'll come back up there in a little bit. It looks like it's a little more stuck. Look at all that shit stuck on there. Get that little dip, rinse that off. This is definitely taking a little bit because she's got quite a lot still stuck on her. So I won't probably take you through it all, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how you can help your snakes if you find them in this situation. You know, you just got to give them a good soak. If you find that after 30 minutes of soaking, it's not coming off quite so easily, kind of like this is not 100% coming off as smoothly as I was hoping it would. I mean, it's definitely coming off, but it's taking a little bit more work than I expected it to. And Antiope is trying to knock down the camera. Come on now, stay down here. Stay down here. Alright. So, yeah, you can see that's just coming on off there. It's just taking a little bit, but it's definitely coming off. I'm just going to keep rotating between kind of using my hands and the towel to add more moisture, but, you know, I'm just going to keep on working at it, and then eventually, oh, she's disappearing. I got to get her. Oh, come on now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. So eventually it's all going to come off. I'm just going to work it off. It's going to take a little bit, but I just want to kind of show you what this looked like. So if you ever find yourself with a snake that's got some stuck shed, to give you an idea what you can do to help it. And I'm sure there's like a lot of like products out there for stuck sheds. I'm not a fan of using such products. I just don't think it's necessary. Unless you get some serious stuck shed, like you end up getting a rescue that like where it just did not get good care. I don't see the point in using things that are all chemically based to help with something like this. I'm just using water, you know, I just have water, and that's just, you know, I just let her soaked in it, and it's just kind of coming off. It's going a little slow because she's being also really squiggly right now, but, you know, in some places a little bit more stuck than others, but I am still pretty confident that I'm going to get it all off with just water. But yeah, there's other products and stuff out there. I mean, if you want to, you can look into it. I'm not a fan of using products and chemicals and all that with my snakes. Even with cleaning, I just use vinegar and water. You know, I don't like to use a whole bunch of unnatural chemicals when it comes to my snakes. So, but yeah, I'm not going to drag you through this whole process because there's still quite a lot on here. But I just wanted to show you that, and hope somebody can appreciate this video and learn a thing or two. And if you're a beginner keeper and you find yourself in this situation, I hope you found this useful. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I will check in with you guys later, and see you guys in the next video. Alright, you guys take care. Love yourselves, love your reptile, love your loved ones, and you guys keep spreading those herps.